everybody, welcome back to another Gregorius Maths video. This question was proposed by a subscriber and it's just a lot of algebra to simplify it, but the idea is not very hard to find, okay? The question was if we could find the value for sine of ax plus b plus sine of a times x plus 1 plus b plus sine of a times x plus 2 plus b plus and so on forever. Now this is fairly easy because this is actually just the imaginary part of a geometric series, infinite geometric series. Okay? To the power of, and I'm writing it out like this because this makes it especially clear that it's a geometric series. Okay? And now, using this formula for the infinite geometric series, this is e to the I times ax plus b over 1 minus e to the I. And at first I was going to just present this, but actually that's not good enough. That's just not good enough. We want, to get rid of this imaginary part and have it all nice, So that's what I did basically. So first we're going to rewrite this in terms of trig stuff. Trig? OG fans will remember the trig integral. Okay? But anyway, we have a cosine of ax plus b plus I sine of ax plus b divided by 1 minus cosine of 1 minus I sine of 1. Okay, and now the trick here to simplifying the whole thing is by multiplying the top and bottom by 1. Okay, so we have 1 minus cosine of 1 minus I sine of 1 times, alright, and now we have to multiply by 1 minus cosine of 1 plus I sine of 1. And this took me a few guesses to get, but everything works out much more nicely if you do this right here. I have like 3 pages of just guessing what to multiply top and bottom by. Okay? And it turns out this is the nicest one. And of course we have to do the same on the top, or else, well, then it's just wrong. Okay? Okay, so here's where the algebra comes in, and I'm not going to be able to write everything out on this board, each individual term on the bottom. Okay? So my apologies in advance. We're just going to have to do some mental algebra. Alright, so the denominator becomes 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times negative cosine of 1. And this negative cosine of 1 will become minus 2 cosine of 1. Okay, and this I sine of 1 will cancel out with this negative I sine of 1. So we're not going to bother writing it down. Okay, now this times that, okay, we've established is here. This times that is plus, because negative times negative is positive, cosine squared of 1. Now this times that will cancel with that times that, okay, because negative cosine of 1 I sine of 1 will cancel with negative cosine of 1 I sine of 1, okay? So yeah, now this and that, so this and this, we've established cancel with that and that. This times that we've established cancels with that times that. And negative I sine of 1 times I sine of 1 is negative I times I is positive 1, so plus sine squared of 1. And now the top will be a little bit more tricky, so I apologise in advance for my small writing. Okay. Cosine, okay. So we have cosine of ax plus b. Now this times that becomes minus cosine of 1 cosine of ax plus b. Okay, and then this times that becomes plus I sine of 1 cosine of ax plus b. Okay, and this part here becomes plus I sine of ax plus b. Again, I've already apologized in advance. Minus, oh god, minus sine of ax, I sine of ax plus b, cosine of 1. Okay, and I don't have space to write the last term out, but it would have gotten killed by the imaginary part anyway, because r times r is a real number. Okay, but just remember that I forgot the negative sine of x plus b, sine of 1, whatever. But it does get killed by the imaginary part anyway. Anyway, this is the grand finale, because now this equals, well, the imaginary part kills this, it keeps I sine of 1 cosine of x plus b. So we have sine of 1 cosine of ax plus b over, now we can factor this as 1 minus cosine of 1 squared plus sine squared of 1. Okay? Now, this does not get killed. We can keep it. Plus sine of ax plus b over, with the same thing, 1 minus cosine of 1 squared plus sine squared of 1. Okay, and this part stays alive too. Minus sine of ax plus b cosine of 1. Sorry, let me write this out a bit sooner. Minus sine of ax plus b cosine of 1 divided by this numerator, 1 minus cosine of 1 squared plus sine squared of 1, and we're done. God damn it, that was a lot of algebra.